everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today on Mo Made It, I've decided to make burger steak. Burger steak is the Filipino version of Salisbury steak, and here is my twist on it. So let's get started with the ingredients. I have here some ground beef. They are medium ground beef. I have here some mushrooms that's already sliced and washed. I have some of the sauces here that I'm going to use. Some fish sauce, oyster sauce, maggi seasoning, Lee Perns, Worcestershire sauce, some oregano, pepper, salt, some breadcrumbs, or you can use croutons, crushed croutons like I did today, some brown sugar, some cornstarch, butter, garlic, beef bouillon cube, 1 egg, a medium onion, and some garlic powder and onion powder. Alright, we're going to start by chopping this onion right here. This is for our sauce. And take out the first layer as usual. And start by cutting in half. And this is going in our sauce, so start by cutting the sides like this, and then so it'll look like cubes. And then just put it aside. The next part is we're going to make our marinade for the beef. I'm going to start by putting the breadcrumbs or croutons, which I'm using here. And these are garlic and onion powder, brown sugar. Not going to use all of it. I'll save some for the sauce. Some cornstarch, but that is for the sauce. Butter, garlic, also for the sauce. And then we're going to put in our egg here. Actually, just going to mix this a little bit quickly before we put in the egg. An egg in there. And then some Worcestershire sauce. Some maggi seasoning. Oyster sauce. A little bit of fish sauce. And mix, mix, mix. Okay, put that aside, and we're going to continue with our marinade here. Alright, in goes our mixture. Get all of that in. I'm going to give this a good mix and then leave it for about 15 minutes to half an hour to just sit and really let the flavors bind together. Okay, I just realized that I forgot to put in the salt, pepper, and the oregano, so my husband is just going to give me a hand and do that right now. Sprinkle in some pepper and some salt and oregano. Okay, that's good. There we go. Just smash it a bit. Okay, now we're going to make some balls out of it for patties. My patties are usually pretty big. That is good size. I'm going to set that side over here. And you really want to mash it together so that it's easier to put to fry. Okay, I'm just going to make 4 for now. Push it in like you're dealing with dough. For this next part here, I'm going to show you a trick in how to make it into a patty. So I'm using parchment paper. I'm putting the beef right in the middle here. Okay, and then I'm going to just flatten it like this. And maneuver it so that it's more of the shape that we want. That's good. I'm just adding some olive oil to our saucepan here. Okay, now that our oil is hot, I'm going to add in the butter. Melt our butter. And turn down the heat because it's browning very quickly. And I'm going to put in our garlic. It smells so good right now. And the onions. Just stir that in for a minute or so. Smells so good. In goes our mushrooms. Alright, I'm just putting our heat a little bit higher to medium high so we can cook this down a bit. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, pepper, brown sugar from earlier. Give it a good mix. Some Worcestershire sauce. I never know if I'm saying it right. Maggi seasoning. I love to use Asian sauces in almost all of my cooking, so don't knock it till you try it. So we're making a good amount of liquid there. Everything's getting cooked down more, so the last thing I'm going to add is the cornstarch, and I've mixed it with some water so that it's not clumpy or too clumpy when you add it in, and it has this like thick pasty texture right here, and you just want to stir it in before you put it in, and this will thicken the sauce. And I have my bouillon cube right here. Just gonna break it apart a little bit before I put it in. There we go. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some water. And we're just gonna let this simmer down while we cook our patties. It's looking great so far. Here goes our beef. I'm gonna give it 3 to 4 minutes and then flip it. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this. Alright, it's been 3 or 4 minutes, so it should be cooked up through already. Get off the heat. Okay, we're gonna put in our sauce here. Alright, I'm about to go in on this. Piece of beef and some sauce, some rice, Yummy. The beef is always so flavorful with all the ingredients. Mmm. And you taste the oregano, especially the pepper and oregano. Mmm. So good. Wasn't that easy? So easy to make. Oh, this is definitely popular with the kids. And adults alike. Mmm. The gravy complements it perfectly. I hope you guys try this sometime. Let me know what you think. Until next time, cheers!